Discuss a important things, that is your traversal of a tree. Okay, this is a very important, that is your traversal of tree. Traversal of a tree. What is a traversal means? Traversing a tree or a binary tree mean it visiting or processing each node of a binary tree exactly once. So there is a three type of traversal. So visiting or processing each node of the binary tree or any tree, or in generally say that binary tree exactly once. So in generally there are three type of standard way of traversing binary tree. Other traversal is also there, but standard three type of traversal are there, that is your in order traversal, pre-order traversal and your post order traversal. Okay, these are some standard three type traversal also in your course. Then we go one by one. So suppose, okay, I am writing here what are the step of traversal of three traversal technique. First I am writing pre-order, then in order and then post order. So each traversal having three step, the algorithm also three step. Before going to the algorithm, these are some steps are there for the traversal. So what are the steps? See here, for the pre-order, visit the root first to visit the root, then traverse the LST, means the left subtree. LST means the left subtree, or RST means the right subtree. Then traverse left subtree in pre-order, then traverse right subtree in pre-order. Similarly, in order what happen? It first traverse left subtree in order, then visit root, then traverse right subtree in order. In post order what happen? It first traverse left subtree in post order, then traverse right subtree in post order, then visit root. Okay, these are some steps. So how to remember this? See here. The pre-order, it first step is root. Okay, first step is it visit the root. Next, that means it first visit the root. That next step is traverse LST pre-order. So I am only writing it is LST, then traverse RST. This is the first step, second step, third step for the pre-order. Okay, first it root, then LST, then your RST. So how to remember this in order? It first left subtree, it first traverse left subtree, second is your root, third is your right subtree. LST, then root, then RST. And in post order what? It first LST traverse, then RST traverse, then third it is root. Okay, so in this we have to remember, in the pre-order you have to first visit root, then we have to traverse the left subtree, then traverse right subtree. And in the in order, it first left subtree, then in second it is root, then right subtree. And in the post order, it first left subtree, then right subtree, then root. So in this way you have to remember root LST RST, LST root RST, and LST RST root. Means if the root is first at the pre-order, root is second at the in order, and root is third at the post order. And this is the sequence, that is LST RST, LST RST, and LST RST. So in this way we have to remember. So how the algorithm is represent? See. So here the node is first. Before writing the algorithm, first you define a node having a data part, a left pointer and a right pointer, and another node. Suppose I am writing here what? Another node, suppose this is a root. Outside pointer is there which is point to a root node. Okay, this is a pointer which point to your root node, and this is the, we already know that because previously we discussed node having a data part and another your right children part and another pointer is left children part. So first you define the node, then we write the algorithm from pre-order, in order and post order. Okay, these are some algorithm I am writing. See, this algorithm I am writing is like a programming style algorithm. So if question asks algorithm, if you write this, it is okay. If question asks the program, if you write this, it is okay. So see the algorithm. Algorithm you have to pass a pointer, and pointer equal to not equal to null, and following the three step, whatever the step I am telling, there are the three step. visit root lst rst, then traverse lst root, and then traverse rst. So these 3 steps only writing. So how to remember this? I'm already telling that. Here what happen, first your root will be visit, okay, that means you have to print the data, whatever the data is there you have to print. Then the left subtree is called, again pre-order. This is a recursive, you have to call the left subtree. Then right part will be called and recursively. Similarly here what happen, first it is left subtree, so left subtree will be called in the recursively call. Then print means then root, okay. Then the right subtree you have to call rst, okay. So here what happened in the post order, it is first lst, first left side will be called recursively, then right side will be called recursively, then what, your root, okay. So in this way you have to remember recursively call, two recursively call, and one is your print, that is your print the root, whatever the root will be there we have to print it, whatever the node will be there that is printed. Similarly this is a pre-order, in order, and post order, okay. So in the question it asks either the algorithm or program or a problem. A tree is there, then after pre-order traversal what is the output, after in order or post order traversal what is the output. So first we explain using this traversal algorithm what is the output, then I am giving a trick so that we have to calculate this traversal only by seeing this tree, no need to go from the algorithm. But in the exam we have to write the algorithm and follow the procedure, write the traversal, after whatever the algorithm use you have to write the traversal. But only the trick is used to check the result, or you can use the trick but you have to write the algorithm, then after from the tree you have to use the trick.